Here's your first look at Liam Hemsworth in The Witcher Season 4. Henry Cavill's exit from The Witcher shocked fans after his Superman departure. With Liam Hemsworth taking over as Geralt, Netflix's hit returns this October, revealing our first look at the anticipated new season. Yes, The Witcher Season 4 is coming to Netflix this month. And during the filming for the 4th season, Netflix announced the show would return for one more installment with Season 5. Yes, The Witcher Season 4 will be released on Netflix on October 30th, 2025. The new season will include 8 episodes, just like the ones before it. On October 29, 2022, Henry Cavill announced via Instagram that he would be exiting the project. Some news to share from the continent: my journey as Geralt of Rivia has been filled with both monsters and adventures. And alas, I will be laying down my medallion and my swords for Season 4, he said in the post. In my stead, the fantastic Mr. Liam Hemsworth will be taking up the mantle of the White Wolf. As with the greatest of literary characters, I pass the torch with reverence for the time spent embodying Geralt and enthusiasm to see Liam's take on this most fascinating and nuanced of men. Liam, good sir, this character has such a wonderful depth to him. Enjoy diving in and seeing what you can find. Henry Cavill allegedly left due to creative differences, at least according to the rumor mill. But producer Lauren Hissrich also revealed the actor personally wanted to end his time as Geralt. He had plans for other roles that he really wanted to commit himself to, she said in an interview with Entertainment Weekly. And for us, you don't want to hold someone and force them to be doing something that they don't want to do. I think that's why it felt like a really symbiotic decision. Despite his initial hesitance, Liam Hemsworth is thrilled to step into the role. As a gamer, I was such a big fan of this character, so it was a bit of those pinch-yourself moments of walking around in this costume that a few years ago I was playing a video game of, he told Tudum.